हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी जीके की जनरल नॉलेज की क्लास को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन इज विच साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल्स आर ट्रीटेड हैज ए प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल विद इन द यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स? आंसर इज ग्लाइयोक्सीसोम. Which cytoplasmic organelle has treated as a prokaryotic cell within the eukaryotic cell? Answer is glioxysome. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द मिनिमम एज फॉर इलेक्शन और अपॉइंटमेंट हैज़ ए मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा? आंसर इज 30 ईयर. व्हेन मिल्क इज churned, how does the cream separate from it? Answer is due to the centrifugal force. In USA, which region receive heavy rainfall throughout the year under the influence of westerlies? Answer is northwestern. Which first European came to India? Answer is Portuguese. Next, when did man first land on moon? 1969. Answer is 1969. Next, which is the second source of light in a fluorescent lamp? Answer is mercury vapor. Next, Archaeopteryx had which reptilian characters? Answer is clawed wings, teeth on jaw and tail. Archaeopteryx had which reptilian characters? Answer is clawed wings, teeth on jaw and tail. Next, which cold and dense air blowing down the mountain slope during the night? Answer is katabatic wind. When was the monopoly of East India Company in trade brought under the control of British Crown? Answer is 1773 AD. What is the minimum age for being the member of the parliament? 25. Answer is 25 year. Which element is obtained from the seaweed? Answer is iodine. Which is the regulatory authority for giving clearance for external commercial borrowing? Answer is RBI. Where are the grasses almost absent? Answer is in tropical wet evergreen forest. Who was impeached in England for his action in India? Answer is Warren Hastings. By using which technique is DNA fingerprint done? Answer is Southern blotting. Which bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound? Answer is nitrogen fixing bacteria. Next, which was the first woman governor of state in free India? Answer is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Next, which ecosystem covered the largest area of the Earth's surface? Answer is marine ecosystem. Next, during which movement was Mahatma added before Gandhi ji name Champaran Satyagrah? Answer is Champaran Satyagrah. Now you can cross check the answers. Next, if material placed in a magnetic field is thrown out of it, then how is the material diamagnetic? Answer is diamagnetic. Next, who became the first Indian to take 16 wickets in a single test match? Answer is Narendra Harwani. Next, stock exchange play a role in the economy. How many it be termed? Answer is useful but need strict regulation. Next, which is the highest lake above the sea level in the world? Answer is Lake Titicaca. Next, the Maratha power reached the zenith of its glory during which region? Answer is Shivaji. Next, a person who lives exclusively on milk, egg and bread is likely to become a victim of which disease? Answer is scurvy. Which is the apex of the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj? Answer is Zilla Parishad. In organic compound, halogen are estimated by which method? Answer is Curious method. Which is the example of crater lake? Answer is Oregon. The missile of which Ranjit Singh was the leader? Answer is Shukr Chakia. Next, where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee? At Lausanne, Switzerland. Next, who is the author of the book My Country, My Life? Answer is L.K. Advani. Which is known as a graveyard of RBC? Answer is spleen. Next, exceptionally high rainfall is recorded in region owing to which effect? Answer is orographic effect. Next, which land tenure system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis? Answer is Jamidari. Which can impose reasonable restrictions on the fundamental right of Indian citizen? Answer is Parliament. Parliament. Next, if the temperature of a semiconductor rises, what is resistivity? Answer is decrease. Next, Kenwatt is associated with which rate? Answer is rate of indirect tax. Next, in which country has a maximum damage to the forest been caused by acid rain? Answer is Poland. By whom was Swaraj has a national demand first made? Dadabhai Naroji. Answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Now again you check the answers. Next. Which is the considered as a hotspot of biodiversity of India? Western Ghats. Answer is Western Ghat. What does the special status of Jammu and Kashmir imply? Answer is a separate constitution. Next, why are the metal good conductor of heat and then heat than insulator? Answer is they contain free electrons. Where is a pearl fishing well developed in India? Answer is off the coast of Rameshwaram. Next, why boom was the rare work on architecture Samaranga Sutradhan written? Samarangan Sutradhara written. Answer is Bhoja Paramara. Next, who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? Answer is R.N. Tagore. एक मिस हो गया. Who was the first Indian to win the world amateur billiards title? Answer is Wilson John. Which of our species describe the tropic function it fill in its environment? Answer is niche. What is the most important item of export among marine product from India? Answer is shrimp. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi to introduce the practice of sajda? Answer is Balwan. Next, to whom is the chief minister of a state responsible? Answer is governor. A mixture of camphor and benzoic acid can be easily separated by which method? Answer is chemical method. Which is the oldest stock exchange of India? Answer is Bombay Stock Exchange. Next, what is the approximate equatorial circumference of the earth? Answer is 40,000 km. Which Sultan of Delhi imposed Jafia on the Brahman also? Answer is Firoz Tughlaq. Next, who got the Bharat Ratna award before becoming the President of India? Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Next, which vitamin is generally excreted by human in urine? Answer is vitamin C. What is the source of maximum income in Panchayati Raj? Answer is governor grants. Which is the present in the largest amount in the term of percent by mass in the earth crust? Answer is oxygen. Next, the Mansa Bhadri system introduced by Akbar, from which system was it borrowed from? Mongolia. Now we recheck the answer. Next, when is International Day for a Tolerance recognized the UN is observed? Answer is November 16. Which is the only golfer to win the Master tournament 6 times? Jack Nicklaus. Who published the book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1859? Darwin. By which name does the Brahmaputra enter into India? The Hang. In which Aryans first settled? Answer is Punjab. At present, the Rajya Sabha consists of how many members? 245. Which mirror is to be used to obtain a parallel beam of light from a small lamp? Concave mirror. In which year was minimum inflation in post economic reform 1999 to 2000? The Tipthian River Songpo entered India through which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. On which thing did the Buddhism and Jainism both give stress? Non-violence. The Asian Games were held in Delhi for the first time in which year? 1951. Which is the most primitive ancestor of man? Australopithecus. Very important question. Answer is Australopithecus. Next. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer is Malgoankar. Malgoankar. Next. In which city of India the diurnal range of temperature is maximum? New Delhi. To whom the Sarnath loin capital attributed? Ashoka. What is the number of the water molecule present in the Mohar salt? Answer is 8. The Dronacharya Award for Sports Coach was instituted in which year? 1985. What does inflation imply? Answer is rise in the general price index. In which seasons is the frequency of tropical cyclone in the Bay of Bengal maximum? After summer. Next, which is the silver coin issued by the Guptas? Rupaika. Rupaika. Now you recheck the answer. Next. Which act made in the Indian legislature bicameral? Government of India. By which a mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated? Sublimation. Again repeat. Which act made the Indian legislature bicameral? Government of India Act 1990. 1919. By which a mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated? Answer is sublimation. The Uruguay round negotiation resulted in the establishment of which organization? Answer is WTO, World Trade Organization. Durand Line is the border common to which two countries? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Who stated that there were no slavery in India? Answer is Megasthenes. Next, which film was made by Satyajit Ray for children? Answer is Sonar Killa. Next, which part of the human brain is the regulating the center for swallowing and vomiting? Answer is medulla oblongata. What is the duration of proclamation of financial emergency? Answer is at the first instance 2 months. Next, which set of the countries are completely surrounded by land? Answer is Mongolia, Zimbabwe, Bolivia. Which set of the country are completely surrounded by land? Answer is Mongolia, Zimbabwe, Bolivia. Next. Which ruler had granted Diwani to the East Indian Company? Answer is Shah Alam II. Next, by which radio waves of the constant amplitude can be generated? Answer is oscillator. Next, when is the International Day of Peace recognized by the UN is observed? Answer is September 21st. Next, in which year was Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutkaran Yojana launched? Answer is 2005. Where is the southernmost point of India located? Answer is Greater Nicobar. Next, which factory in Bengal he was established by the Portuguese? Answer is Hooghly. Which is used to know the development of fetus in uterus? Answer is ultrasound. During the proclamation of national emergency, which article cannot be suspended? Answer is Article 20 and 21. Next, which oil is used in the flotation method for the purification of ores? Answer is pine oil. What is the name of the group of language spoken by the largest number of people in India? Answer is Indo-Aryan. Next, which was the first metal used by man? Copper. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ you can cross the answers. Thank you so much.